Imagine a time before DNA, before the complex cells that make up our bodies. Picture a world where life was just beginning to take shape, in the most basic and rudimentary forms. In this primordial soup, life was simpler, yet incredibly fascinating. The building blocks of life were floating around, interacting in ways that would eventually lead to the complexity we see today. It was the RNA world, a time when RNA molecules were the key players in the drama of life. RNA, a molecule similar to DNA, played a starring role. Unlike DNA, which is more stable and double-stranded, RNA is single-stranded and more versatile. RNA can carry genetic information, just like DNA. This ability to store and transmit genetic information is crucial for the development and evolution of life. But RNA can also do something DNA can't. It can fold into complex shapes and catalyze reactions, acting like a molecular Swiss Army knife. This means RNA could not only store information, but also perform essential chemical reactions. This versatility makes RNA the perfect candidate for the origin of life. Its ability to both store genetic information and catalyze reactions means it could have supported early life forms in multiple ways. Evidence for the RNA world is everywhere. From the simplest organisms to the most complex, RNA plays a crucial role in cellular processes. Ribosomes, the protein factories of our cells, rely on RNA. Without RNA, these essential components of life wouldn't function. Many viruses use RNA as their genetic material. This shows how fundamental RNA is to life, even in its simplest forms. The RNA world hypothesis is a window into our deepest evolutionary past. It helps us understand how life might have started and evolved into the complex forms we see today. As life evolved, a new molecule took center stage: DNA. DNA is like RNA's more stable cousin. Its double helix structure makes it incredibly good at storing genetic information. DNA's stability is crucial for life's complexity. It ensures that genetic information is passed down accurately from generation to generation. This fidelity allows for the accumulation of beneficial mutations, the driving force of evolution. With DNA as the blueprint of life, cells could grow larger and more complex. They could store more information and pass it on to their offspring with greater accuracy. The stage was set for the emergence of proteins. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell. They catalyze reactions, transport molecules, provide structural support, and much more. The diversity of proteins is staggering, and their functions are essential for all life. Proteins are made up of building blocks called amino acids. The sequence of amino acids determines the protein's shape and function. This sequence is encoded in DNA, highlighting the interconnectedness of life's molecules. The evolution of proteins was a game changer. It allowed for the development of complex metabolic pathways and cellular structures. Life was no longer confined to simple single-celled organisms. The journey from single-celled to multicellular life is a testament to the power of cooperation. One of the most important steps in this journey was the endosymbiotic theory. This theory proposes that mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, were once free-living bacteria. They were engulfed by larger cells and over time became integrated into their new hosts. This symbiotic relationship was mutually beneficial. The host cell provided protection and nutrients, while the mitochondria provided energy. This partnership paved the way for the evolution of complex, multicellular organisms. Section 5. Specialization, the key to complexity. Specialization is a fundamental aspect of life that has driven the evolution of complex organisms. Multicellularity allowed for specialization. Cells could differentiate, taking on specific roles within the organism. This process of differentiation is what enables cells to perform unique functions that contribute to the organism's overall survival and efficiency. This division of labor led to the development of tissues, organs, and organ systems. Each of these structures is composed of specialized cells working together in harmony to perform specific tasks. Imagine a multicellular organism as a bustling city. Just as a city thrives on the diverse roles of its inhabitants, an organism thrives on the specialized functions of its cells. Each cell has its own job, just like the citizens of a city. Some cells might be akin to doctors, engineers, or teachers, each contributing to the well-being of the whole. Some cells are responsible for transportation, others for communication, and still others for defense. For instance, red blood cells transport oxygen, nerve cells transmit signals, and white blood cells defend against pathogens. This specialization is essential for the complexity and diversity of life we see today. Without it, organisms would not be able to adapt and thrive in various environments. From the intricate nervous systems of animals to the photosynthetic prowess of plants, differentiation is at the heart of it all. It is this ability to specialize that has allowed life to evolve into the myriad forms we observe in the natural world. Section 6. Genes. The conductors of life's orchestra. The development of multicellular organisms required a new level of control. Enter genes, segments of DNA that code for specific proteins. Genes act like conductors, orchestrating the development and function of cells. Gene regulation is a complex process that determines which genes are turned on or off in different cells and at different times. This precise control is essential for the development and maintenance of a multicellular organism. Through gene regulation, cells can differentiate, tissues can form, and organs can develop. The symphony of life is conducted by the intricate interplay of genes and their regulators. Section 7. The Tapestry of Life. From the RNA world to the diversity of life we see today, evolution has woven a tapestry of incredible complexity. Each step, from the emergence of DNA to the development of multicellular organisms, has built upon the last. The story of life is a story of adaptation, innovation, and cooperation. It's a story that continues to unfold today as organisms evolve and adapt to their ever-changing environments. Understanding these transitions is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of life. It allows us to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things and our place within this grand evolutionary narrative. Section 8. The ongoing journey. The journey from RNA to DNA is a fascinating process, from single cells to complex organisms, showcasing the incredible diversity of life. This transformation is a testament to the power of evolution, illustrating how life adapts and thrives. It's a journey that began billions of years ago and continues today, shaping the world around us. As we delve deeper into the molecular mechanisms of life, we uncover the intricate details that make life possible. We gain a greater appreciation for the elegance and complexity of the natural world. The more we learn about these processes, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. Each discovery opens new doors to understanding. The study of life is a journey of exploration, full of wonder and awe, revealing the secrets of existence. By understanding our past through fossil records and genetic studies, we can better navigate the present and make informed decisions about our future. With advancements in technology, we have the tools to shape the future of life on Earth, ensuring its sustainability and diversity for generations to come.